Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss why should we use linked list when we already have the concept of arrays. We already know that array is collection of similar data items in sequential order. That means it carries similar data elements. It can be either of integer or floating point or characters, so on. So that's why this is called as homogeneous data structure. Similar data items are stored in arrays. Now I will explain 3 disadvantages of arrays over linked list. Let us go for the first disadvantage. In this example, I have created an array of size 12 and I have inserted 8 elements inside this array. 8 elements. For suppose if I want to insert an element in the second position, what we have to do? We have to shift each and element to the right hand side. One position right hand side. And so that here in this empty place we can insert another element. Here as we are having just 7 elements after this new element, it will take less amount of time. For suppose if we are having an array of size 1000 and we already inserted 998 elements. If I want to insert an element in second position, the time complexity will be more because there are 997 elements already inserted in the array. So here we are getting a problem of time complexity. So we are going to the concept of linked list. This is the first disadvantage of arrays. So the second disadvantage is, for suppose if we want to delete an element from the array. For suppose if I am deleting the element which is in 4th position in the array, 4th element in the array. Now this is an empty cell. So all the elements from the right hand side are to be shifted one position to the left hand side. Every element must be shifted. So for suppose here we are having just 7 elements after the element which we are going to delete. But for suppose if we are having 1000 elements or 2000 elements, then here also the time complexity problem will be occurring. So this is the second disadvantage, deleting an element from the array. In the previous example, I have demonstrated the 2 disadvantages, inserting an item in the array, deleting an item in the array. The third disadvantage is memory wastage. For example, consider this as memory and this is called as a cell. And let us consider this cell occupies 2 bytes of memory. Initially each cell can store either 0 or 1. But in this figure, let us consider each cell occupies 2 bytes of memory. For suppose in my program, I have declared int a of 6, b of 2, c of 2 and so on. As integer occupies 2 bytes of memory, so the a variable needs 6 into 2, 12 bytes of memory. And the b variable requires 2 into 2, 4 bytes of memory. So let us insert the values. The first one is a of 6. So first one, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. All these cells will store the value of a. And the second one is b of 2. Next, b of 2. So this cells occupies the value of b. And the third one is c of 2. C of 2. And the next data is d of 4. So 4 2s are 8. Here we are having 2 empty cells in the memory. But as we already know that integer is integer array, it is an integer array. Array requires contiguous allocation of memory. Array means contiguous allocation of memory. So as there are no sequential place in this memory, it will check for the sequential cells. So here it stores the value of D. And the next one is P of 2. Here it is having 2 cells, empty cells. So it stores the value of P. And next one is X of 1. So one cell is named as X. It stores the value of X. So after allocating the entire memory, for suppose after allocation, if we are declaring E of 3, here in this memory there is no contiguous allocation for this data item. Here there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty cells in the memory. But there is no enough space, contiguous space for storing the E value. All this data, all this memory is being wasted. So in order to avoid this wastage of memory, we go for linked lists. So these are the 3 disadvantages of arrays over linked lists. So in the concept of linked list, whatever the cell is being wasted, all these cells are being linked with some link in order to avoid the wastage. So we will discuss this concept of linked list in upcoming videos. Thank you.